Okay, so down at the shop, getting ready to spray our parts clear there. We got us a portable paint booth, kind of rolled out here and getting ready to blow it up for the first time. Put a little air to it and blow it up and see how it does. We're trying to spray our parts in that there to keep it clear, and air clears it's so messy. So let's turn it on here and see what we got. Kind of crazy looking in here. Not too terribly bad. Kind of stretch out a little bit. Gonna work out all right. Blew up pretty quick. Looky there. Looky there. Wow. Say, it looks like a big old bounce house. Huh. One portable paint booth right there. Huh. Who would have thought?